So hi guys, let me teach you how to design a social media flyer using the PixelLab. So this flyer was actually designed by Stefan on Photoshop. So let's replicate it and see how it goes. So for this width, let me pick 1000, and then for the height, let me go with 1350. So here's the size. So I will be using a gradient color, although let me use this color first. So I will leave the color scheme on the asset so that you can actually download it and use it. So I will leave it on the description menu. So let me go to my asset here. So he actually leave the assets. Here is the color scheme that we will actually work with. So first I pick this background color from this here. Yeah, so you can see. So the next step here is for me to create the gradient color. So it was actually a gradient color that was done originally. So this is how I made the gradient color. You can see how it is. I picked this one from here. Yeah, you can see. Then I manipulated this also and this also. So this is how I actually manipulated the color, the gradient color. So here we go. So I will go and import my assets. I will import my assets as from my gallery. Yeah. So here we go. This is it. So for this, you can actually see the color is a line kind of blurry. So I will increase the saturation. Let me increase the saturation a little bit so that it can actually pop. So I'll increase the size. And then I need it to be somewhere around here. Okay, let me decrease the size. I need it to be somewhere around here. So let me go with this. So let me go to my gallery again and then pick the font. Yeah, here's the font. It's actually transparent. So I will actually increase the saturation also for it to pop a little bit. Yeah, so I will just rotate it like this. Yeah, so let me increase the size. Maybe it's this. Yeah, here we go. So I will go to the layer and then drag it down to the back side of the this cat dump stuff. So I will bring this color scheme to the top because I will be using it for my designs. So let me go to gallery again and then import the logo. Yep. Where's the logo? Okay, this one is Play Store. So since I imported, let me just drag it towards here. Although we may do further modification for it, but let me just put it around this axis. Yeah. So let me just leave it there. So I'll go to my. Sorry, the thing is hiding. That is why it's hidden. So I'll import this. This is the logo. So I will go and increase the saturation also. You can see the effect, right? So for this, let me just decrease the size. I will decrease the size and I will leave it around this axis. I'll leave it around this axis so you can actually see how it is. So what I will do now is I will come with my grid here. I will place my grid here. Let me go with this. Sorry. Okay. So for this grid, let me pick this one to be at the top here and then this one here. So I'm going to put something Yeah, sorry. Yeah, so here we go. So I will copy this. I'll copy this your AI learning kata and then place it here. My work. Sorry for that. I have to reduce this. Yeah. So I will just go to here and then paste it here. So I will go with font, which is neutral regular. Although him use a different font, which is index. He use index as the font. I think he used index here, but me I will use neutral regular just to get a kind of the idea on how to go with this. So here we go. Let me just place it here. Just need it to be centralized here. So here we go. So I will go to my text here. I will copy this, say hello to tutorial. I'll copy it and then I will go to my PixelLab. So here is where I will work with this color scheme again. I will go to text and then import the text, paste the text. Yeah, I'll place it here. So for this text, I'll be using monstrat semi-bold. Yeah. Then I'll increase the size a little bit, let it be higher. Yeah. Yeah, this seems to be good. Let me just increase this. Yeah. So what I will do now is I will go to my alignment here. I will just decrease the alignment here, and then I will go to color. I will pick from so from here you can actually see from here the full text are showing, but I need only the top side, which is say hello, to be another color. So I will pick the color from the color scheme. I will pick it here. Yeah, I will not touch anything, so you can see the color here. Yeah, so the next thing is I will go to here and then copy this. Yeah, and then I will paste it here. Yep. So for this also I will go with neutral regular. Yeah, I will go with neutral regular and then I will decrease the size. Yep, decrease the size. Let me decrease the size again. Yeah, so this is good. This seems to be good. So now what remains is I will go to this grid again. Let me make this one to be the downside. I need a grid here. A guide, sorry, not grid. A guide. It is actually meant to guide us. So I will create a shape here. Sorry. I will create a shape here. So from the shape, I will just make sure it is within the in, and then I'll drag it here. So you can actually see how I did it. So you have to be very careful here. You have to be very careful. So let me see. Yeah. And I will go to edit again, and then I will change the color to this. Yeah, I've already picked it from the initial, so I will change it to that. And then what I will do, I will increase the radius to like 4. Yeah, so let's see. Let me remove the guide. So this is looking perfect. So I will go and copy the text which I will put there, which is download tutorial. So I will just go and paste it. So this is just a simple design. This is actually a simple design. So for the font, I will use Nota Regular as usual, because we only use 2 fonts here. So I will just decrease the size and then change the color to this. We have already picked our color also. So I will amend it to this. Let me reduce the size. Yeah. Yeah, this is looking perfect. So let me not say perfect, because it's the owner that only know how to decide perfectly. Okay, so here we go. I can decide to actually save my work here. So I'm just showing you the parts to actually do it using your smartphone. So I can go to fix art. So we just have to like be patient so that it can reload. Sorry. Here's my fix art. So I will click the plus icon, then click edit to direct me to my gallery. I will just import my work here. So here we go. I will just import something from art photo, and it will direct me to my gallery where I will go and search for where is my tutorial. Sorry, I just want you to understand that is why I'm not there. So I'll pick this from my assets here. So I will just increase the size to this. Let's see this. So what I will do now is I decrease the size, so opacity, sorry, and then I will go to my blending options. I will pick screen and see. Okay, let me pick from others and see how it goes. So you can actually see I can pick from this overlay. So you actually see how the overlay will look like. So even if I pick the overlay, I will actually have to go to opacity and then decrease the opacity a little bit. Yeah. So let me see whether I can erase some of the parts. Okay, let me pick my eraser and then increase the tools. Yeah, I will just erase some of the part here, which is the part where the tone is. I'll just erase it a little bit. Yeah. So here we go. I will just okay it and then yeah, you can actually see. So I will just save my work from here. I don't want any further edition. So I'll just pick it from there. So what I will do next is I will go to Lightroom. Lightroom is just like a camera roll on Photoshop. So you can actually use it to enhance your work. So for those who are used to watching my tutorials, you can actually justify that I usually use it for enhancements. So let me go. So this one, I don't have any formula for this. You just have to follow your eye. satisfaction of your eye. So I will just increase this clarity, and then for the details I will go with sorry, sharpening. I will increase the sharpening to be very sharp, 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 sharp. Yeah, this look good. This look good. So nice. Let me see whether I can increase the noise. Color reduction. So you can actually increase the lightening also. The light. Okay. So let me see whether I can increase the highlight. Yeah. So you can actually see how it works. You can go and actually save your work to your device. Alright, thank you very much for your time. Please, if you find this to be very useful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that we can go along. Thank you very much. See you on the next tutorial. Thank you.